In today's rapidly evolving economic landscape, where the traditional boundaries of work and education are becoming increasingly blurred, students are embracing the concept of side hustles more than ever before. Side hustles offer students not only a means to supplement their income but also valuable real-world experience and skills that can complement their academic pursuits. With the advent of technology and the proliferation of online platforms, there has never been a better time for students to explore various side hustle opportunities. Here are 7 side hustles that students can start in 2024. 1. Virtual tutoring services. The demand for virtual tutoring has soared in recent years, driven by the shift towards online education and the need for personalized learning experiences. Students with expertise in specific subjects, whether it be mathematics, languages, or coding, can capitalize on this demand by offering virtual tutoring services. Platforms like tutor.com, Chegg Tutors, and Wizant provide avenues for students to connect with learners seeking assistance. Additionally, students can leverage social media platforms and online communities to advertise their services and attract clients. 2. Content creation and freelance writing. With the proliferation of blogs, websites, and social media platforms, there is a constant demand for high-quality content. Students with a knack for writing can capitalize on this demand by offering freelance writing services. Whether it's creating blog posts, articles, or social media content, freelance writing offers students the flexibility to work on their own schedule while honing their writing skills. Websites like Upwork, Freelancer, and Fiverr serve as platforms for students to showcase their writing talents and connect with potential clients. 3. E-commerce ventures. The rise of e-commerce has opened up a plethora of opportunities for entrepreneurial-minded students. Whether it's dropshipping, print-on-demand, or creating handmade products, students can launch their e-commerce ventures with minimal upfront investment. Platforms like Shopify, Etsy, and Amazon FBA provide the infrastructure for students to set up their online stores and reach a global audience. By leveraging social media marketing and search engine optimization techniques, students can drive traffic to their e-commerce websites and generate sales. 4. Social media management. In today's digital age, businesses recognize the importance of maintaining a strong presence on social media platforms to engage with their audience and drive brand awareness. Students with a knack for social media can capitalize on this demand by offering social media management services to businesses and individuals. From creating content calendars to managing ad campaigns, social media management encompasses a wide range of tasks that students can undertake remotely. Platforms like Buffer, Hootsuite, and Sprout Social offer tools to streamline social media management tasks and track performance metrics. 5. Graphic design and digital art. In an increasingly visual-centric world, the demand for graphic design and digital art services continues to rise. Students with a flair for design can capitalize on this demand by offering graphic design services to clients ranging from small businesses to individuals. Whether it's designing logos, marketing materials, or digital illustrations, graphic design offers students a creative outlet to showcase their talents. Platforms like Adobe Creative Cloud, Canva, and Figma provide students with the tools they need to bring their design ideas to life. 6. Virtual assistant services. As businesses and entrepreneurs strive to streamline their operations and focus on core activities, the demand for virtual assistants has surged. Students with strong organizational and administrative skills can capitalize on this demand by offering virtual assistant services remotely. From managing emails to scheduling appointments, virtual assistants undertake a variety of tasks to support their clients' day-to-day operations. Platforms like Upwork, Time, etc., and Fancy Hands connect students with clients seeking virtual assistant services. 7. Online course creation. With the increasing popularity of online learning, There is a growing demand for high-quality online courses on a variety of topics. Students with expertise in a particular subject area can capitalize on this demand by creating and selling their online courses. Whether it's academic tutoring, skill development, or hobby-based courses, online course creation offers students the opportunity to share their knowledge and expertise with a global audience. Platforms like Teachable, Udemy, and Skillshare provide students with the tools and resources to create, market, and sell their online courses. The opportunities for students to start side hustles in 2024 are abundant and diverse. Whether it's leveraging their academic expertise, creative talents, or entrepreneurial spirit, students can embark on side hustles that not only supplement their income but also enrich their learning experiences and skill sets. By harnessing the power of technology and embracing the gig economy, students can unlock new pathways to success in today's dynamic and interconnected world. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more tips on entrepreneurship and student life. Until next time, take care and happy hustling.